Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Instagram shopping with Shopify. So to do that, first go to shopify.com and log in with your account. And after you're in the store, all you have to do is go on apps. So I've already installed this app, but all you have to do is search for this app in Shopify App Store. I'm just going to click here. Alright, so now all you have to do is connect Instagram in Shopify. Daily post, Instagram. So my account is not connected to Instagram, but if you have an account connected to Instagram, you'll get an option to set up your shop with the help of this application. So that is how you will be able to integrate shopping with the help of Shopify in Instagram. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.